the Dirt Man, and welcome back to another Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. And we're doing a recipe that I think you're going to really enjoy, and I think it's extremely important that you understand how to do, and that is proper way of grilling or cooking chicken, or like a chicken breast here. So we're gonna call this recipe Smashed Dirty Chicken. Josh, what should we call this? Or Dirty Smashed Chicken? Which one do you like better?
Dirty Smash.
Dirty Smashed Chicken is what we're gonna do. So I'm going to show you the proper way of how to cook a chicken breast, because it can be very difficult. We're going to use a different dirts. Ooh, looky, I got the marinade out. I'm happy. So we're going to use that. A little olive oil. Got some gloves. Well, here's round two on getting these the second set of gloves on here. All right, Dr. Dirtman, ready to get to work. So let's explain about a chicken breast here. We've all done chicken breast, and no, there's a big issue with chicken breast. There's a fat inside, and there's a thinner side down here. This side always cooks faster than this, and that doesn't work very well. We want to make sure that everything cooks evenly. Evenly is the key. All right, we got the plastic bag. And we're going to put the chicken inside here. We're going to use a little bit of olive oil. You can see that. So put a little bit of olive oil in here. And then what we want to do is press this down, get the air out of here. Now put the olive oil in here only to keep it lubricated in here so it won't get stuck with the plastic. Now I need something to smash it down. Wow. Yummy, yummy. I'll use this. All right, I'm going to use this right now. I also got my little bling bling. You'll see why I got this later. And I'm going to show you actually how to smash it. Again, you can use anything you want to smash the chicken. So here we go. All right, so now we're just going to smash it down. Good little pressure over here. And we're pounding away here. I'm just having a good old time. All right, now the smash part. I know the Dirt Man doesn't look like the smartest guy in the world. Pretty brilliant, huh? All right, let's get to the rest of it. Okay, now it's time to season up the meat here. You can see that the meat is nice and flat and even. It's absolutely perfect. Okay, I'm gonna use the original marinade. I absolutely love this. This is the first video I'm actually doing using the original marinade. It's absolutely fabulous on any meats, any vegetables, great on seafood. I mean, I just love it. It looks good. It feels good. I love it. I just want to hug it. I want to kiss it. I want to dance with it. All right, now we're just going to put some of the marinade in here. You don't need a great deal amount. Move it around in here a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to use another piece of chicken here. We're going to put this in here. So olive oil. I'm going to move that around. And now I'm going to pick out, I'm going to use the original dirt this time. Sprinkle that in there really good. Put some more olive oil. In there really good. Put some more Todd's dirt in there. And we're going to put just a little bit more olive oil in here. You want to make a marinade out of this. You don't want it too dry. We're done with this one. All right, now we're doing the last piece of chicken here. Now, I'm not sure if you noticed, but I've kind of been going back and forth and changing gloves and washing my hands. So even though I've been dealing with this raw chicken, I have been going back and forth. You don't need to see everything behind the scenes as I'm doing it. So here we go. We're putting some more chicken in. Left hand this time, putting olive oil. Look how much easier that is. Huh, Josh? Wasn't that easier?
Yeah.
Great commentary there by Josh, don't you think? I thought that was awesome. Keep speaking up, Josh. I love it. So if you don't know, Josh is our new editor and helping us video. If you haven't noticed, the video quality has gotten a whole lot better. It's all because of this guy. So I'm very thankful that he's here. All right, so now we're gonna put a little bit more of the seasoning on. Now we're gonna put a little bit more seasoning on. Now we're gonna put a little bit more seasoning on. So you can see we're using 3 different kinds. You can use any one of the dirts. We're gonna mix this up a little bit. Close it up. And then we're gonna take all this chicken that we did, and we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let this sit there for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then we'll see you out there on the grill. All right, the Dirt Man is outside. We're in my happy place. We're outside next to my grills, and we're cooking on the Weber today, my little propane grill. Why did I choose the Weber? Just a little bit easier today. That's really the difference between a gas grill and a regular grill that you gotta use charcoal with. It's just quicker and easy, and we're kicking out some videos today, so I decided to use the Weber. And by the way, Dirt Man loves me some Weber. I'm not sponsored, by the way, but I should be. So here we go. What are we doing today? Smashed chicken. Why are we calling it smashed? Because the Dirt Man is getting smashed today. Ha ha! All right, so now we're gonna put the chicken inside on the grill. Ooh. Let's save some of that olive oil. You can see how nice and flatter it is. Now we're going to get the original marinade out. So this is marinated about an hour. Put it off to the side. Now we got the Bayou Dirt chicken. So this is great for dinner, great for lunch. And remember, when you're done with this, the next day, you can reuse it and put it in salads, chicken salad. You can make sandwiches with it. Just a lot of great things. So we'll be back. We're gonna check this about a minute and a half. We're gonna turn it, and then we're gonna flip it. So we'll be right back. All right, so now we're lifting it up. It's already been about a minute and a half, and we're just gonna turn this around to get some good grill marks. As you can see, doesn't stick. Oh yeah. All right, we'll be back in another minute and a half. All right, let's check them out. Let's flip it over, baby. Oh yeah, look how pretty that looks. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at the blackening from the Bayou Dirt. Tell me if that doesn't look pretty. Oh, oh yeah. Flip over the big piece of chicken and look how pretty that bad boy looks. Add some flavor and let it caramelize. Right on top. Let's create some fire. And we'll be back in about another 2 more minutes. Like that. All right, now we get the last piece of chicken coming off. Oh yeah. So we got the Bayou, we got the original, and then we did 2 of the original marinades. Look how pretty those bad boys look out. Let's go inside and let's bite into one. Okay, the Dirt Man is ready to get into this smashed chicken. Let's just check it out. Let's open up this Bayou. Yeah, look at all the juices on that bad boy. Oh, so nice. Take a bite. Oh man, so juicy and so good. Cooked so easily because it's pretty flat. It all cooked evenly together. Very simple, great taste, absolutely amazing. Oh my God, is that good? Absolutely awesome. So I hope you really enjoyed the. Look at the juices coming out. Oh my goodness, Josh, do you see the juices coming out of that bad boy?
Yeah.
Woo, that's good. So hope you enjoyed this smashed chicken. Because the Dirt Man's a little smashed right now. Had a good time with you. Hope you enjoyed it. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.